Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable magnifier to use with your camera for close-up shot on your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. Now first, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then we're going to tap on settings, and in settings we go down and we're going to tap on accessibility, then tap on magnifier, and then tap on the magnifier switch to turn it on or off. Now once it is on, you should be able to see it will add magnifier to your home screen right here, and you can also find them in your app library in here as well. Now you can see if I type in magnifier, you can see it's available. So if I switch it off and if I go to app library, you can see now if I type in magnifier, it will not be available. And even on the home screen, you will not be able to find it. So you need to switch it on in settings in order for you to see magnifier, and you can use it. Now once you tap on it, it will open up the camera and it will allow you to zoom in on a small object. So let's say I want to take a photo of this small flowers. I can zoom it right in like so. I'm just going to move it up a little bit so you can see the camera. And here we can zoom it right in. So you need to be at a certain distance to make a really good shot. You don't want it to be too far away or too close. So you need to be at a really good distance to make a perfect shot. Now you can also apply different range of color using filter. You can also change the brightness of the photo. And once you're ready, you can tap on the shoot button. Now you can also turn on torch as well to increase the brightness. And this is the filter, so you can just tap on the filter to open or close. As well as brightness, when you tap on it, it will expand out. And if you want to close it, you just tap on it again and it will close the brightness, and it will provide other options for you. I will bring this back into the camera view. So I'm just going to turn off the torch. And there it is. So you can focus and then take a shot. And then you can tap on that to view the photo, so you can take multiple shots. So I'm just trying to get it at a perfect distance. And also you need to be patient. If it's not in focus, you just need to tap on it and just stay for a while, and then you should be able to get it into focus, and then you'll be able to take the shot. And so here you can go through the set and then compare. And that's it. So that's how you can turn on or turn off magnifier on your iPhone 12 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.